Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a snowy Wednesday morning. I hope it's the last snow of the season. Do you think it's gonna snow more? My cat's being obnoxious. She's right behind the camera meowing like crazy. Now she's walking on our table. $5 so she knocks over the entire camera. My desk behind me is a disaster. Oh my god, look at that. I've been using these facial pads. I got them in a BoxyCharm. It's the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. They remind me of Stridex. Remember in the 90s, we get this, your mom would get those like Stridex pads, and you're supposed to wipe them all over your face, and they like stung like hell because they were mostly alcohol. That's what these remind me of, except minus the stinging. They're like exfoliating pads. And they're actually kind of nice. It's like Stridex 2.0. And then I just kind of rub it in. Bring it down my neck. So then I'm going to go in with the Superfruits Daily Moisturizer. Oh my god, I'm a hot mess. I just dumped that entire thing of Stridex pads all over my table. Stridex, no, First Aid Beauty pads all over my table. I'm a hot mess this morning. I don't know. I can't, like, function or think. It is officially week 2 of the remote learning here. And we're about halfway through the week. No, it's not Wednesday. It's Tuesday. Oh, my brain's day ahead. Today's going to be extra long. I can feel it. My, I don't know if I told you guys, but my chickens went on strike. And this is the Kiehl's, Powerful Strengthening Line Reducing Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. Talk about a long day. I got it from the Vox box from Influencer. It actually is really nice. It's like smoothing, and it's taken away a lot of my little lines, and it reduces your mom circles. You know what I'm talking about? The mom tired eyes. It helps with those. But yeah, so I've been keeping my chickens inside. We reduced our flock by about half, which I'm really sad about. We found a really nice family who lives on a pond, and we let them take our 2 geese and 3 of our chickens with them. And that's only because we've been having a lot of attacks on our flock in the middle of the night by raccoons and foxes, and I'm tired of having to say goodbye in a not happy way to our chickens. So we downsized our flock, and we have 5 chickens left. And it was for the better, even though it was sad. But yeah, we're going to move our chicken coop across the yard and build a run, and then hopefully we'll get baby chicks in the summer, if we can manage to do all of that. Oh, I forgot to tell you what those were. It's my normal, the Natural Defense Concealer and the Wet n Wild Concealer. And then I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Dewy Foundation, the Photo Focus, and I'm just going to dot that on my skin. And that's probably way too much product on my face right now. But we're going to go with it. I'm going to go in with this paddle brush. Okay, so I have that mostly blended in, and now I'm just going to go in with the, it's an 8 brush for Ulta, and I'm just going to, kind of do a second blend. And just make sure there's no harsh edges anywhere, that it all came together nice and smooth. I mostly mainly do this around the eyes, so, and the nose, to make sure that the foundation and the concealer all blended nicely. And I just kind of pat. I'm not brushing, I'm not swirling, I'm just patting, pressing it into my skin to make it mesh. There. I feel like I always need an extra around this eye. It's like, I don't know, just my darker eye, I guess. You know what? I sleep on this side. That's interesting. I always need extra coverage on this eye, and I sleep on this side of my face. Maybe that's why. See, that's for the second layer. See the difference? Crazy, right? Okay. I'm going to go into my Chatty London Coconut Setting Powder and my brightening brush from Alamar, and I'm going to go under the eyes. I think I'm going to do a super quick makeup look. Oh, you know, it doesn't seem quick because I'm tucking through my foundation. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. So, I was in the middle of telling you that our chickens had gone on strike. They stopped laying eggs. And I think they went on strike because I was keeping them cooped up in the coop because our neighbor doesn't like them. So we decided to downsize to keep them safer because of the attacks at night. But also, because we downsized, I think that they're having a little bit more room to like move around, so they're happier. So we got our first egg 2 days ago for the first egg in like, what, 3 weeks, I think. It was awesome. I'm gonna go in with the velvetizer, and I'm just gonna hit the rest of my face with this, my big powder brush. This powder smells funky. Okay, I don't know what it is. It smells like talc. I don't know. Maybe it smells like rice flour. There's just something about it that, like, you can taste it, you know? But whatever it is, it definitely makes your foundation smooth. My face is smooth. I'm going to go in with my number 7. Look at that shiny light on it. It's from my mirror. I'm going to go into this big bronzing brush from Alamar. I hope we get the Alamar Cosmetics bronzers in our BoxyCharm like soon, because I am dying to see how this brush works with like her bronzers. It's amazing. So I'm just doing like a bronzer kind of a thing. I don't know. Topty used that term in a video recently, and I've just been, I stole it from her. I'm going to go into the Pretty Vulgar blush. This is a hardcore blush. It's no joke. I'm going to go into the Tarteist Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to use the pinky highlight over here. For the eyes, I'm gonna go into the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. We got it in a boxy charm for the month of March. And I'm going to go into the shade Bikini right there. No, I'm sorry. It's called Bellini. Not Bikini. It's like an orangey color. I'm going to go into the same shade and do the other side.
And I'm going to plug it.
Okay. Then I'm going to go into the shade Peaches and Dreams right over here. I'm going to do the same thing. Just blow it out a little bit more. I'm going to go into the shade Merlot Mondays, which is right above. It's like that mauvey, pretty Merlot color. And I'm going to pack that on the lids. These shades are so smooth. They are like buttery soft. I'm gonna go back into the Bellini shade with my blender. Blend the Merlot up into the crease and out. Okay. All right. I am just going to tap Girl Boss on the center. Of the lid. All right. And this is Wonderland. And then I'm just running those to blend them so it's like shiny but not, if that makes sense. Alright, we'll use this one. I'm going to take that Bellini shade, that orangey, really pretty one, and I'm going to put it on this Step 3 Go Girl Go, the Vintage Cosmetic Company brush, and I'm going to drag that under the lash line. There is that. Okay, and then, so I'm going to take my black number 7 Stay Perfect Amazing Eyeliner, and I'm going to start on the outer and just drag it in. But not all the way, just here over. I'm not doing the inner third. I haven't been connecting my eyeliner recently all the way into the inner corner just because I feel like it makes my eyes look bigger. I don't know. Okay, Blizzard. This is Blizzard. She's a pain in the butt, but we love her. She's so curious, and she's got double paws. Hi, you saying hello to the camera? Hi, Blizzard. Hello. Look at the people. Do you want to say hi to you? What? Am I freaking you out? Okay. Found the lash paradise. Alright, this is my 10 times zooming. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the lip liner from Wet n Wild in Think Flamingo. I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Liquid Lip in Strawberry Cream. Alright, well, I'd have to admit that this lip is not my favorite. Can we just look at what it's doing? It's like emphasizing every little line I have on my mouth. It does not look cute. Let's see if we can fix that. Alright. We're going to go in with the lip. What is this? Hard Candy Cashmere Silk Demi Matte Cream Lip Color. And it is in the shade Biscotti. No. No, that made it look worse. We're going to try that again. We're going to go in with this Wet n Wild Bare to Commit. This is almost exactly the same shade as my lips. And you know what? I'm actually just going to go in with this all over my lips. This shade is perfect. This shade is perfection. This shade, if Wet n Wild, you are watching this, you should make this into a lipstick. Bare to Commit. Perfect. I like that. And then I just tapped some of the shade Apparel Ultra Lip Cream in stripped over top. And there's today's completed look, guys. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this little fast one. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.